Hello, Mr. Alien. How are you today? I would love to meet you. Even better, I'd like to draw you. Yes, I would. I'm going to start by drawing your head. And some big oval eyes and a smiley mouth. Let's draw your neck and your hands. You're holding onto your steering wheel there. I think it's your spaceship. Yay, semicircle and an oval shape and a big oval shape. Let's divide it off into sections and do some final details. Lovely. How about the rim? And the bottom part, and of course, some feet so it can land. Brilliant! Time to paint. We'll start with green. Now, I wonder why, when we think of aliens, we always think of little green men. Have you ever wondered why? Perhaps your alien could be different. It could be purple and fuzzy with 5 arms. Or how about round and yellow and fluffy with 3 eyes, even with 10 legs? Whatever you prefer, you could make up your own alien. Right, now we're going for some silver paint to paint our gear sticks. And we'll paint the inside blue. What's your favourite colour? What colour would you like to paint your spaceship? Decisions. Excellent. Now we're going to go for the gold, painting the back section with that colour. And red for the next section. So the great thing about dividing our flying saucer into sections is that you can choose different colours for each. Let's go for red on the other side too. Symmetry is always a good thing because it's the same on both sides. We'll go for a yellow spot there and we'll do the middle section yellow going around the spots. So little dashes of the same colour here and there also looks great when you're painting. Well, Mr. Alien's looking very happy with his spaceship. Let's paint the other one. How about some purple for the front dots? Looking fantastic. What do you think? Blue for the rim. And the middle dot. Pink would be a lovely colour for the underneath of our spaceship. Right, now let's do the feet. Shall we make them green, just like Mr. Alien? How about a gold one in the middle to match the back of our spaceship? There, it's perfect. Wow, Mr. Alien, where are you going and where are you from? I would love to see your planet one day. Would you take me there? What's it called? Where is it? Come on, let's go.
Subscribe and watch more. Chiki Art!